Let's see the question. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through the points 0, 0, minus 2, 1 and minus 3, 2. Also find its radius. So as the question is given, we have to find the coordinates of the center of a circle. It means there is a circle. Supposedly I make this circle and I take its center as O. O is the center of this circle. And this circle is passing through the points 0, 0. It means this circle is passing through some points at we can take one point as a, another point as a B, and one more point we can take it as C. And the coordinate, that is 0, 0, minus 2, 1 and minus 3, 2. These are the coordinates of the points from where the circle is passing, and this is O, that is a center. Here we have to find the coordinates of the center, so we can consider, let the coordinates of the center is x, y. Okay, as we know that the distance from the center to any point on the circle, that is called as radius, and radius here OA is representing as a radius, OB is also radius, and OC is also radius. So these are the three radii of the circle. So we can take, let the point A is 0, 0 and the point B is minus 2, 1 and the point C, that is minus 3, 2. This is. Now as we know that the radii of the circle, any circle, is always equal. So it means this radius OA will be equal to the radius OB. So the length of OA, that is equal to the length of OB. If we have any two lengths are equal, so their squares will be also equal. So it means OA square will be equals to OB square. So their square will be also equal. I have done the square just because of what? When you will find the distance OA, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So जब आप स्क्वायर करेंगे, so square root sign will be removed. So that's why. So OA, now here O and A. So use the coordinates of O, that is x, y, and the coordinates of A, that is 0, 0. So it will be x2 minus x1 whole square, so it will be x minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, so we can write it y minus 0 whole square, is equals to OB square. So OB here, this is O and B. You have to use the coordinates of the point O and point B. So now here, so x2 minus x1 whole square, so it will be x, and here it is minus 2, so minus minus plus 2 it will change, and plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is y minus 1 whole square. So according to the formula we will plot the points. Now we can simplify, it is x square plus y square. Now here it is making the identity a plus b whole square, so it will be x square plus 4 plus 4x and plus y square plus 1 minus 2x. Sorry, it is 2y. So here it is x square and x square will be cancelled out, y square and y square will be cancelled out. So what is left over here? Plus 4x, this is minus 2y, 4 plus 1 5, we can transpose to the another side, so that is equals to minus 5, and equation number 1. Now as we have taken OA and OB, these two radii are equal, so we can write over here radii of same circle. Now we can take another pair of the radii, like we can take OA as well as OC. So OA, that is equals to OC. So if OA and OC are equal, and why they are equal? Because they are the radii of same circle. That's why. So their square, OA square, will be equals to OC square. Now we will find the distance of OA square, that is by using the distance formula. So same as it is, we have already calculated. x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to OC square. So O and C, use the coordinates of O and C. So it will be x plus 3 whole square, because the formula is x2 minus x1. So at the place of x2 we can use x minus x1, that is minus 3, so minus minus will change as plus y2 minus y1, so it will be y minus 2 whole square. Now it will be x square, here it is y square, is equals to, we can open this bracket, x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. So this y square and y square will be cancel out, x square and x square will cancel out. So what is left? 6x and minus 4y. 9 plus 4, 13 will transpose over there, then it is minus 13, and now it is equation number 2. So we can solve these two equations, equation number 1, this one, and equation number 2, and then we will get the solution. So how can we solve these two equations? Now here it is 4x minus 2y and 6x minus 4y. So we can use the elimination method of the linear equation. So here it is 4y, here it is 2y, so it means multiply equation 1 by 2, and then you can subtract it from the equation number 2. So here we can multiply 2 with the first equation. So 2 4 is 8x minus 2 2 is 4y is equals to minus 2 5 is 10. So this equation number 1 is changed now as equation number 3. 6x minus 4y is equals to minus 13. This is equation number 2. On subtraction, minus, it will change as plus. Now here it is plus. So this will be cancel out. 8x minus 6x, that is 2x, minus 10 plus 13, so 13 minus 10, so it will be 3. So x is equals to 3 by 2. So now this value of x can be put up either in the first equation or in second equation, and we can get the value of y. So from equation 1 we can write, from equation 1, so equation 1, that is 4x minus 2y is equals to minus 5. At the place of x you will write 2. So 2 to the 4, 3 just we will simplify, like here 4 into 3 upon 2 minus 2y is equals to minus 5. So 2 to the 4, so 2 3 is 6, 6 can be transposed over there, so minus 2y is equals to minus 11, and then minus and minus will be cancelled out. We will get the value of y over here. So the value of y is equals to 11 upon 2. So it means now the coordinates of center O, x comma y, so the value of x, that is 3 by 2, and the value of y, that is 11 by 2. Okay, so 1 is the answer, is this one, and you have to find its radius also. So radius doesn't matter, you can find the value of OA or OB or OC. So I can write OA, so that is under root x minus 0 whole square, that will be x square, y minus 0 whole square, that will be y square. So x square plus y square. So we can put up the values of x and y at the respective places. So it will be 9 upon 4 plus 121 upon 4. Okay, so that will be square root of 130 upon 4. So we can take the square root as 1 upon 2, square root of 130. We can leave this answer OA as units. It will be your answer.